Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be telling you about the round SQL function. Here in this tutorial, I will be having the different modes as well of the round function like round, hop up, round, hop down, round, hop even, so on. So I will be telling you I have different example for each of the modes and I will be executing here in the system. So look, the round function is used to uh, do the roundup after the decimal. So suppose you have a number, the argument, then you can put a position, and this can be plus or minus as well. Then the rounding modes, and the rounding modes are optional. If you want to use it, it can be used. So the first one here, I don't have any rounding mode. I will just execute this, and you can see the data. This one is rounded for the next one decimal. So 1 for the decimal 1. Now coming to the next example, here I have still the decimal number 1, so it will be rounded up for only one decimal. So let me just execute this. So here it is. Yes, the result is like this. Now we have a minus now. So minus is used to do the roundup just before this decimal values. Earlier the positive values does the decimal for the main values, I mean the before the dot. Here minus means after the dot. So if I just execute this, you're gonna see the result, and so the result is 1230. Now coming to the next one, the round hub. Round hub is like a default, like how the normal round function works. So if I tell you in a terms of definition, so it generally it is rounded up to the next round figure. Like here in the case of 75, so it will be 8. Let me just execute this. You can see that 75, and here only one decimal will be displayed. One decimal has been displayed, and round up means is the next available round figure. Now this opposite one is this one, round up down. It means it is it will come down to the next round figure. If I execute this, you can see that the value is 7, not 8 this time, so that it's half down. Now coming to the half even, if I execute half even, let's see the result of what has happened. So here the value is 2. It also works more like this half up, but generally this round figure, it is rounded to the value whose last decimal is an even number. And next one we have the round up and round down. Round up is always rounded away from 0 to the larger round figure, and the opposite one the round down. So if I execute this round up, we are going to see the result. So it will be the next large value from the 0. And coming to the next one, round down, here it will be 7. So it is rounded towards the 0. Now ceiling and floor, round ceiling and round floor. In round ceiling is used like positive direction, and floor is the opposite one, negative direction. So if I just execute this, you can see it's showing 8, and next one round floor will be showing 7. So in this whole tutorial, you got a understanding like, one has the opposite like round up and the opposite one round down and up up and this one round up, round down and selling throw. So all has kind of similarity, so you can use it in your SQL function wherever it is used. And thank you for watching. I hope you have understood this function. And thank you for watching. And if you like our video, please like it and also please comment below if you want to know more about this tutorial or any other tutorials of SAP